Hi students, in the previous part of the lesson, we saw singular and plural nouns and formation of plural nouns from singular nouns. Now we are going to see the next point, regular and irregular plural. Regular and irregular plurals. This point we are going to see now. Here in this point, variable and invariable nouns. This point we are going to see in this first plural that follow the normal rules of formation are called regular plural. Regular plural means a plural. Plural noun indicates that there is more than one of that noun, while a singular noun indicates that there is just one of the noun. Most plural forms are created by simply adding s or es to the end of singular word. For example, dog, dogs, cat, cats, rat, rats, etc. Second, the plural that do not follow the normal rules of formation are called irregular plurals. In irregular plurals, and irregular plurals, nouns are ones that do not follow the pattern of pluralization set forth by regular nouns. That is, you cannot simply add an es or es to create the plural form. In first examples, in regular plurals, we saw the example cat, cats, dog, dogs. They follows normal rules by adding yes or es. Here, irregular plurals, they do not follow the normal rules. For example, child. Child's plural is children. Child plural is children. Sheep, sheeps. Sheep, sheep. It remains as it is. Ox, oxen. Ox, oxen. This is the example of irregular plural. Then nouns that have two forms, the singular as well as the plural. They are called variable nouns. And nouns that have only one form, either singular or plural, they are called invariable nouns. Then nouns that are used only in a singular and they have no plural form, they are called singular variable nouns. Example, physics, news, politics. These are the examples. Here sentence is given, no news is good news. Then 6 point, nouns that are used only in the plural and have no singular form are called plural variable nouns. For example, socks, jeans, scissors, spectacles, binoculars. These spectacles are quite old. This is the sentence. Okay. Now I hope you understood this grammar topic. Let's see the given example in the exercises. Here some example given. First point, that is of the example, fill in the blanks with the plurals of the word given in brackets. First is the fairy granted the woodcutter 3 here dash and in the bracket the word singular word is given which wish. Okay, the plural of wish is given wishes. The fairy granted the woodcutter 3 wishes. This sentence will prepare. Now next is many dash are used to make sauce. Here in the bracket given tomato and the plural of tomato is tomatoes. Many tomatoes are used to make sauce. The next, the two dash enter the house. Two here in the bracket given thief. Thieves plural form. What is the thieves plural form? Thieves. The two thieves enter the house. Then a grown up person has 32 here in the bracket given tooth. Tooth is a singular word and plural form of tooth is teeth. Which sentence will prepare? A grown up person has 32 teeth. Then fifth sentence, there were many dash on display in the shop. In the bracket which word is given? Toy. There were many plural form of toys means just add yes on display in the shop. Then sixth sentence, the porter carried two dash on his head. Here singular box. Which sentence will prepare? The porter carried two boxes. Yes will add to the box on his head. The hunter saw two dash near the pool. The hunter saw two here in the bracket word given deer. Two deers. Okay, near the pool. Then eighth sentence. The watchmaker's shop was full of dash. Here in bracket given watch. The watchmaker's shop was full of the watches. In this way, you have to complete this exercise. Now, second question of the exercise, fill in the blanks with correct nouns from the brackets. Let's see. Here, Rahul and Roma go to the garden every given evening or evenings. Which is the correct word? You will select evening, not evenings. You have to choose the correct word evening. Rahul and Roma go to the garden every evening. Roma usually wear an old pair of, here correct word, jean or jeans. Jeans is the correct word. You have to use jeans. And Rahul goes out in his short or shorts. Short is the correct word. They often see They often see the Rama, the gardener, trimming the rows. Here, bush and bushes. These two words given in the bracket, which is the correct bushes. This you have to use in the correct sentence with the pair of sharp dash dash in the bracket scissor or scissors, which will be the correct with a pair of sharp scissor, not scissors. Then sometime Farhad, there in the bracket neighbor or neighbors, which will come neighbor. Sometime Farhad, their neighbor, also comes along. Farhad loves to talk. When he is with them, he gives them in the bracket new or news. The correct word is news of all the thing or things. Here the correct word will things that have happened that day or days. Here the correct word will be days that have happened that days. Farad is also very fond of athletic or athletics. Farad is Farad is also very fond of athletics. Rahul and Roma too are fond of sport or sports. Here correct word sports. Sometimes the dash dash bring along there. Sometimes the child or children, this word will come there. Correct word. Sometimes the children bring along their cricket kit and play in the garden. If they don't have their cricket kit, they play some other in the bracket games. They play other games. Okay. In this way, you have to prepare or complete the exercises and show me on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.